Hello everyone. There is a place called Lý in central Vietnam where they grow one-clove garlic head called TauI CôI ĐhiN, very special garlic. Today I'm making chips from them. Come to the kitchen with me, I show you how. Welcome to SaigoncookTravel. I am Saigoncook. If you're new to my channel, please like, share my videos and subscribe. It means a lot to me. Thank you. So I have half a kilo of this kind of garlic. First thing, we need to peel them. And after I peel them, you will see they are so special. Just one big clove. And easy, you can cut off the root part and peel away to the top. Very pretty easy. This kind of garlic is special, and this garlic is popular, and because of that it's more spicy than other garlic. You can see one clove, big one clove right now. Make sure you cut off the roots a little bit because they are tough. So this garlic is special, so every time I go Vietnam for a visit, I always make garlic chip and bring back with me for use for a long time, because once you make it right, they keep crispy for a long time. So now I slicing them. Use the peeler and easy to do. You just make practice, and now I have all of them and ready to go. I put the skillet on high heat and I add oil. Make sure the oil is enough to cover all the garlic slices, but not over. I keep it like a 1 inch below the top edge, because I don't want the oil overflow. This is my tricks. I add half a teaspoon of salt and 1 tablespoon on purpose flour. You can sprinkle flour in advance before putting into the oil, but you need to shaking them well, so that the slices coat the flour very well. But the way you put the flour into the oil like so, it will cover every slice beautifully. So remember that the high heat will keep the oil boiling, and this is where you drop in your garlic slices, and you keep that high heat on. Make sure you get enough oil for the slices. So when I add my slices, I press them down to see the oil can receive more or not. If not, I will make another batch. But luckily, I have enough oil now. Together with that skillet, so I'm safe for now. So I let it go until I see a little blondie around the edges, because this is where the heat more concentrated. So once you see the blondie, you start stirring to make sure that there is no burn underneath. And when you keep it going, you lower the heat to make sure that they are gradually golden. So after you see all golden on around like so, you take it out. For me, I have another trick. I remove the garlic chip before it's ready, and then I add it to the hot oil for frying the second time. That way my garlic chips is extra crispy. So that's it. You store it in container and you can use for a long time, at least 6 months. They stay crispy. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.